There are some setups that are getting more replies and better conversion than other profile setups. And in this video, I will show you the setup that we use currently that is getting us best results, okay? Why you should even listen to me. I have booked well over 1,000 sales calls on X with just outreach, and I have set it up hundreds and hundreds of accounts. So let's jump into it. What I have prepared for you is just here like comparing like the worst outreach account that you can actually do outreach from, and then the profile that we use, and show you like what kind of things you should have there, okay? So first thing is a name. So if you can see here, this is the outreach account that we use. We always use like a real name, like a real full name, okay? You can see here Brian Ellington. It can be any other name. You can see that this is not me. I obviously have my own main account, but then we have loads of alt accounts that look like this, and they have different names and different profile pictures, okay? But very bad thing that you can do is just like use your agency profile. I will talk about that soon, but it needs to be your full name. Don't use some nicknames or anything. Just use your full name, okay? Profile picture. It has to be some real person. It can be you. It can be some stock picture that you found on internet. It can even be AI generated, but it can be like a logo. If you use like a agency logo for your outreach accounts, you will get a lot less replies than you would get with a like real person profile picture, okay? It's a dramatic difference, okay? You get way more replies with real person's like profile picture because it builds way more trust. You are not hiding behind some logo. There is like people think that they are talking to a real person. That's why we want that. So there is also a tricky thing about it. The profile pictures also need to look real. Like I said that they can be AI generated. You can go, for example, on Midjourney and just create like bunch of profile pictures and then create those accounts with random names. But if somebody sees that they are actually AI generated, they won't reply because that doesn't build trust and they think that it's like a fake account. So if you use like AI generated photos, make sure that they look real, okay? Next thing, bio. So in bio, you usually want to say what you do, list there some credibility, and get there also some CTA. So you can see in this account that I have found, he has no bio. And in accounts that we use, you can see that we have something here like what we do, like provide some leads. We have 100k DM sent, 45 qualified appointments is booking monthly. So there is like list some credibility there. My VA was actually doing this bio, but I would change, for example, this last thing and set there like some call to action. You know, if you want to scale your outreach or if you want to do something, then click the link in the description or DM me something. I think that would be even better for here. And then in the website, put there like your website link or some lead magnet that usually works well if you put there some lead magnet, or like link to some like case study or to some portfolio or something relevant, okay? If you don't have anything, you can put there like your calendar link or something like that. Next thing is follow at least like 100 to 300 people, because like if you don't follow anyone, the account looks like more fake. So for example, if I would have on this account like 1,300 followers and following one person, it looks more fake, okay? If there is like 150 followings, it looks more natural and the account doesn't look fake and you will get more replies. And here is like optional thing that can be good for like a lot. If you, for example, if you are doing it for a client or like it's for you and you have some cool case study, this could be good. So what we do for some of our clients that we actually set up those accounts for, that we put like a case study post and pin it at the top of your profile and buy there some engagement. So for the case study, you just like, obviously you know what is case study. You can just post it there, and when you send DM to someone, they will open it and check your profile. They can right away see some credibility. They can see the case study. They can see some of your results, so that will improve your conversion. It's optional. You don't have to do that, but it helps. And then you can also buy some engagement. So for example, if you would just get a new account, like buy some aged account and buy there some followers, then obviously the post wouldn't have any likes or views, so it would look like fake. But you can buy likes and views on that. So that's thing that you can do. Another thing is that you have to have some followers. Even if you like buy some aged account, for example, from Xreach or from our website or anywhere else, if you buy some aged account, you need to buy there some followers. Otherwise, if your account have one follower or like below, let's say 100 or 50 followers, you won't get as many replies. Like followers, if you buy followers, it increases the reply rate drastically. You need to buy followers for sure. The number that I usually recommend is between 500 to 3,500. That's usually like where you get most out of your buck. We use right now for buying followers just another panel. There are more websites where you can buy followers pretty cheaply. It's usually like between like 0.5 to like $5 or $6 per 1,000 followers. So it's not that expensive, and it will improve your conversion a lot. And next thing, I forgot to put that last thing, but next thing is timeline. So if you would buy or set up like get new account, there is like nothing on that profile. So if we go here or like on some of the accounts that we have, there would be probably nothing, okay? And you don't want to just post your posts, because if you just post a lot of posts, everybody will see that you have followers, but then they would have zero engagement. So what we do on our profiles, for example, this is one of our profiles, we just retweet other people's tweets that are actually in our niche. So whatever your niche is, just find some people that are in your niche and just retweet their tweets, so that once you DM someone, they look at your profile, they can see that there is some timeline and there is some engagement on the tweets, so it doesn't look fake. So that's what we do. And last thing is that I forgot to put here, it's to actually buy blue check mark. It's really important. Buying actually the premium, it's like $8. You can just go here and buy it on an account and just verify the phone number. You will get way more replies, because you can message also way more people. Like if you don't have verified account, it's really hard to actually find some leads that you can message. Like with a verified account, you can message like up to, I don't know, like 90% more people, and you can also send way more DMs in a day. So it's really important to actually verify your account if you want to do outreach on X. That's everything. Now you can click on the video in the description. It's the next video in this Twitter outreach series. So if you want to do outreach on X, you should really watch this. Okay, see you in the next one.